Okay, so we have read that there were two boys, okay, and one boy, his name Ranji, right? And he has just shifted, changed the town. He was new to the town, and then it was summer. So just while taking a stroll, you can say, in the forest, he found a pool and he decided to swim because the pool was very neat, water was clean, and it was inviting. He had not seen such type of clean and cool, you can say, type of pools where he used to live earlier. Okay, so now as he was swimming, there was another boy. Okay, and then after some time, the other boy, he was trying to just, good morning, Angel. So he was the other boy, he was trying to he was kind of bully. Okay, and what he was trying to do, he was asking Ranji to leave the pool, and he claimed that that pool belonged to him. Okay, otherwise it was a public property. Okay, common place, you can say. So now what happened? Ranji, on the other hand, he was ready to be his friend, but when he heard the, you can say, the rude response or the rude tone, unfriendly tone, then what happened? He also replied in that way, and ultimately, what happened at the end? They were indulged in a fight. Okay, over this issue that to whom the pool belonged, because other boy, the stranger, was asking him to leave the pool, but Ranji, he was not ready to leave. Who was wrong? The stranger was wrong, right? Okay. So the stranger exclaimed that stranger was fighter or warrior. He said he was a warrior and he would just beat him. And on the other hand, Ranji, he replied that he was a fighter and he was not ready to leave the place. And then they started fighting. Page number 47. There you are. Even in the water. Okay, so they were fighting. Then they were at each other's throats and they were just fighting properly, physical fight. Okay.
Even in the water, the fight continued as fluttering and covered with blood. They broke for each other's head and throat. But after 5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle, neither boy had emerged victorious. Their bodies heaving with exhaustion, they stood back from each other, making
Tremendous
efforts to speak.
Now what happened? They were fighting, and even in the pool also, water also. Yes, in the water also. So they were just busy with their fight, ready to hurt each other, ready to prove that they are the winners. Then what happened? They, after some time, now they were exhausted. They were tired. Okay, both were strong, and after some time, both were tired, and nobody won. Okay, jeeta koi bhi nahi. Is it okay? Because nobody was, you can say, ready to accept the defeat. Both were strong, so you can say it was a draw. Got it? Then, and as they were tired, they were not able to speak. You can imagine when you run, after that, sans ke karan, you are not able to speak.
Now do you realize I am a runner that
The stranger again, he tried to speak. So what he said that now you realize that I am a warrior, means I am very strong and I am not going to leave the place. Okay, then
do you know I am a fighter, said Ranji with difficulty.
As Ranji, he was also tired, so he was not able to speak. Still, he managed to say that, do you know, I'm a fighter. Means again, they were trying to prove, one was trying to prove that he was a warrior, other was trying to prove that he was a fighter. Nobody was ready to accept the defeat.
They gave a moment's confusion. There was only their heavy breathing and rapid beating of their heart.
Yes, they now after that they were quiet, okay, and it was like they were just thinking about each other's answers, okay, and nothing could be, you can say, heard. It's just the breathing and their heartbeat.
Then you will not leave the pool, said the
Warrior.
warrior. I will not leave it, said Ranji. Then we shall have to continue the fight, said the other. All right, said Ranji.
Wait, now what happened? Then the stranger said, okay, then you will not leave the pool. Means you are not ready to leave. Okay. Ranji, he said, yes, I will not leave it. And then the stranger, he said, okay, then in this case, we have to continue the fight. We have to decide. Okay. And then Ranji, he was all okay. He said, okay. Then
But neither boy moved neither to
took the initiative.
took the initiative.
Wait, now what happened? Both were just standing. They were talking. It was just, you can say, communication verbally. Okay. No fight. What happened? The stranger asked that we have to continue the fight, but both were just standing. Nobody took the initiative. किसी ने fight start नहीं करी. Okay. What they were doing? They were just standing and they were just, the other person, the stranger was saying, okay, now we have to continue the fight.
So
Nobody started. Why? Were they afraid? They were tired. They were tired, but they were not ready to accept the defeat, or they were not ready to accept this, that they were tired. Okay, they were exhausted. वो इतना भी नहीं मानना चाह रहे थे. Okay, and because of that, they said that okay, now we have to continue, but they were standing there. That's all. Then
the warrior had
started.
an inspiration. We will continue the fight tomorrow, he said. If you dare to come here again tomorrow, we will continue this fight. And I will
Not.
not show your mercy as I have done today.
What do you think? Has he shown mercy? No, it was that both were tired. Okay, both were equally strong. Both were tired. That is why they stopped the fight. Okay, so the stranger, what he said that okay, we'll continue the fight tomorrow. Okay, and he said that now that day means tomorrow I'm not going to show you any mercy. He added that as I have showed today, but it wasn't about mercy. He was tired. That is why they stopped the fight.
I will come tomorrow, said Ranji. I will be ready for you. Then turned from each other and going to their respective rocks, put on their clothes and left the forest by different roads.
Okay, so what they did, they just packed up and they left. Over. Done. The question answers, I think we should discuss question answers at the end of the chapter. ठीक है? Let's finish क्योंकि फिर question answers तो तुम खुद भी कर सकते हो ना छुट्टियों में. Right? चलो. Page number 49. Anvay, read. From your book, Anvay. Gurkaran, read. Yeah, leave this. This is the summary.
Was difficult to conceal the fact that he had been in unwilling violent fight, and his mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day.
Wait. Now what happened when he went back? Okay, definitely after the fight, you get cuts. Okay, so it was difficult for him to explain how and why he got those cuts and bruises. Okay, then what happened? The mother, as she always, mothers, they are very caring and then protective also. So what she said that now he would not leave the house for rest of the day. कभी तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा किसी के साथ हुआ है? Means you have done something, evidence, proof, kind of cuts and all, वो सब कुछ है, and now you have to hide it from your parents. All are good. Very good. Okay, have you ever broken something and then you have to hide it from your parents? Cups, like cups and plates and something like this. Yes? हाँ? क्या करते हो? बता देते हो? That is what I want to say. Yes, whether you hide it or not hide it, they come to know. ठीक है? Come to know. इस केस में तुम्हें डांट पड़ जाती है और कुछ नहीं होता. वहां पे mother was very protective, so she just insisted. She asked him to stay there. And in that case, जहाँ पे तुम कोई चीज तोड़ते हो, mother never gives us anything else to break. ऐसे ही होता है. हाँ, with brother and sister जब तुम्हारी लड़ाई हो जाती है. चलो. Yes, Gurkaran.
That is, though he slept out of the house and went to the bazaar, where he found comfort and solace in a bottle of vividly colored lemonade and a banana full of hot sweet grapes. He had just finished the lemonade, and he saw it, and Vernon coming down with it. His first impulse was to turn away and look at it.
Adversary means opponent, that boy.
His second to throw the lemonade bottle at his head.
Wait. Now what happened? Then his mother, she asked him to stay at home, but just like you, what he did, he slipped. He managed to just leave the house, and then what he did, he just went to bazaar, not for fight. Okay, what he did, he just went to bazaar and was trying to find comfort, eating something, drinking and all. And when he was just feeling comfortable, he saw the boy. Okay, and the thoughts, जब भी हम कई बार किसी पे गुस्सा होते हैं, suddenly जो thoughts आती हैं दिमाग में, same way, first thought was his first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere. Okay, simple, that just to ignore. Second was to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. Okay, then
Ma'am, in the bottle.
trying to find comfort.
But he did neither of these things. Instead, he stood his ground and swore that his passing it was. As the police said nothing, but swore back with equal ferocity.
You can imagine what they were doing. They were just staring at each other, and that's all. Nothing else. Why so? What do you think? किसी के सामने होके they were not ready to fight there. Again, you can say they were exhausted. ठीक है? Then
Next day was as good as the previous one. Andy felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. His body was stiff and sore after the previous day's encounter, and he could not refuse the challenge. Not to turn up as a fool would be an acknowledgement of defeat.
so yes, next day, the day was hot, and Ranji, he was feeling weak and lazy. If just imagine, एक दिन पहले तुमने बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया और next day, how do you feel? Not good, weak, lazy. You just want to take rest and all, na? Same with Ranji, but definitely if he just ignore, or if he didn't reach there, that means he had accepted his defeat. Okay, directly यही मतलब हुआ, because he was challenged. Then
From the way he felt just, then he knew he would be beaten in another fight, but he could not take himself in his own defeat.
now what was the thing? He knew that अगर वो वहां पे जाता भी है, he would be beaten, as his body was, you can say, not with him. ठीक है?
He must defy his enemy to the last, or outwit him, for only then would he have gained his respect. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all the time. But to fight and be beaten today, left him free to fight and be beaten again. As long as he fought, he had a right to the fool in his body.
Yes, so I think whatever the argument was going on in his mind, those were very accurate. Okay, if he didn't show up, that means he had accepted his mistake. Okay, sorry, his defeat. And then if he went there and then he fight, and then means after that if he somehow lost the match, still it means he had the respect that he went there, he showed up, he fought. Whatever the result is, that is totally different. Okay, so he what he was thinking, that ultimately he decided to go. मीन्स whenever he was saying कि जब तक वो लड़ाई कर रहा है तब तक उसके पास at least he has the right to claim that the pool was, yes.
He was not hoping that the boy would have forgotten the challenge, but he hoped for that when he saw his opponent sitting into the way on a rock on the other side of the pool, the warrior was rubbing on his body. He saw Randy beneath the saddle and poured his challenge across the waters of the pool.
Okay, so when he reached there, what he saw, he was just this was his wish that the person, other person, he would not come. But what happened when he reached there around the pool, the next boy, the stranger, was sitting there and ready for the fight. Okay, next, Dharya, read. Keep sitting and read.
On this side and fight. We shouted back with equal vigor. Still across and fight me here.
कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हो?
Come over on the other side.
On this side.
But Randy was not doing something. He laid down by his shoulder. Come this fight. He shouted back with equal vigor.
So what happened? The stranger said, okay, come this side and fight. Ranji, he was not ready to accept his conditions. Okay, so he said, you come this side and fight here.
Come across and fight me here. On the there the land.
Other person, the stranger said, okay, do one thing, swim and fight me here. And then again a kind of comment, a taunt. ठीक है, जो कि क्या कर देता है, बहुत जल्दी ट्रिगर करता है. And nobody is ready to nobody is you can say nobody likes such type of comments. What he said, that okay, he challenged actually again that yeah, you cannot swim. Okay, if you are not ready to come here, it means that you are not able to swim with full same energy.
And here he would show the warriors his superiority. So, with the out of the river, he dived straight into the water. And it cooled like a kite and surfaced with hardly a splash. The warriors now open it.
So now Ranji, he was a good swimmer. So he said that he thought that okay, it was he could just swim through that pool a dozen times without even getting tired. So what he decided, this means he got the chance to show that he was superior, he was better. Okay, so what he did, he just dived and he started swimming, and the way he was swimming, this amazed the stranger, the warrior. Okay.
You can dive, he explained. It is easy, said Ravi. Reading water, waiting for a further challenge, and can't you dive?
So now the other boy, he just asked, you can dive, means he was, you can say shocked, surprised, whatever. So he said, you can dive. Ranji said, yes, it is easy. Now Ranji was waiting for another challenge. Okay. Then
No, said the other. I jumped straight in, but if you will tell me how, I will make a dive.
so Ranji asked that can't you dive and swim? So he said that no, I can swim, but I cannot dive. Dive पता है ना? पहले जो ठीक है. So he said that I cannot dive. Though he said that okay, but what he did, he asked him to teach him. ठीक है? The stranger asked Ranji to teach him how to dive. Then
It is easy, said Ravi. Stand on the rock, stretch your arms out, and allow your head to squeeze your feet. The warrior stood up, stiff and straight, stretched out his arms and threw himself into the water. He let it crash on his head with a crash that sent the bird flying out.
so this is just how he was trying to learn how to dive. Means this wasn't the first attempt was not good. Okay, so Ranji, he started laughing. Wait, Jevant, read. So the boy, Ranji, he was laughing. He said that are you trying to empty the pool? Means the dive was not good. So the warrior, on the other hand, he thought that his dive was good. So he asked, it wasn't it good? Are evidently proud of whatever he had done, the action, the accomplishment. Huh? Jevant.
Not very good, said Kanji. You should have more practice. I will do it again. And pulling himself up on the rock, he executed another perfect dive. The other boy waiting for him to block out, but swimming underwater, Rati stood,
Circled him.
circled him and came upon him from behind.
So now it means Ranji was a very good swimmer. He was able to swim underwater also. Okay. Ranji was now trying to show him how to dive again. And then he went underwater. The stranger was waiting for him to come. But what happened? He was just swimming underwater and he came behind. He came from behind. Then
How did you do that? One he
astonished.
astonished me. One he threw in the water, asked me, no, but I will try.
So now he was also not able to swim underwater and he was amazed. Okay, so that is why he asked, okay, I will try.
Forget favorite sentence. To the bottom of the pool and he thought he had fallen right down. So his bottom like a duck remained above the surface.
Means what he was doing? He just tried to go underwater. He thought that he was underwater, but he was not.
And however did not discourage him. It was not that he said, but he needed a lot of practice.
See, asked his enemy. Now they have specially written asked his enemy. What do you think? Were they behaving like enemies now? No. They were, yes, not exactly friends, but you can say, but they were not enemies that time. Okay, then
If you like, I will eat you. You must eat me. If you do not eat me, I will eat you. Will you come here every day?
I think this is the common dialogue. अगर नहीं सिखाया तो मार पड़ेगी. I also say this. If you don't do this, then you will get a slap. ठीक है? This you can say a kind of common dialogue. So what he said that okay, now you have to teach me, and if you don't, then I will beat you. Now you have to come every day here, every day to that pool. Earlier, what was the issue? Main issue of the fight, topic of their fight about that pool, okay, use of pool. And now the stranger, he was inviting him every day, okay, to use the pool and teach him. Then
If you like, said they had put their food out of the water and were sitting side by side on a smooth river. My name is Sue, said the water. What is yours?
so now finally they asked for each other's names. The stranger's name, his name Suraj, and other we already know, Ranji.
I am from, am I not asked to bending his arm so that the ball of muscle stood up, touching the white of his head.
Yeah, he was just now showing off that I'm strong. Don't you think this and that? And he was just showing his body.
You are strong, said Ravi. You are a real Pehlwan. One day I will be the world champion wrestler.
So it means Suraj. Suraj was, who was Suraj? Warrior? Wrestler, you can say. Okay. Then
Nothing is fine with you, which is the left of his hand. He looked critically at Ranji's hard thin body. You are quite strong yourself. He consented.
so Ranji, otherwise Suraj, he was, you can say, his body was like a wrestler. On the other hand, Suraj, he was thin, but he was very strong. Okay.
But you are too body. I know you people do not eat enough. You must come and have your food with me. I will bring one plate of this every day. We have got our own fight.
So now he was trying to say, you are very thin, you are too bony, and I know you don't eat much. That is why you are so thin. And he said that come, you must come and have food with me. And then he was just discussing his, you can say, diet.
Be my friend, and I will make you a friend, one like me. I know it teach me to dive and swim underwater. I will make you a friend. That is fair, isn't it?
So what was the, you can say, deal? It was, he was just trying to be friendly this time. And he offered friendship, that be my friend. And then he said, okay, let's do it this way. You try, you teach me swimming and I'll teach you, I'll make you Pahalwan. Okay? And then he said that it is fair, means whatever we are, it's just give and take. Okay? Then
That is fair and said right. No need doubt that if he was getting the better of the next week.
means he was doubtful. He was teaching swimming. On the other hand, he would get what? He would be a Pahalwan. So he was just thinking ki whether the deal is fair or not. He wasn't interested in that Pahalwani and all. So he was just thinking ki whether the deal was okay or not. But he agreed.
He was put his arm around Ninja's waist and said, we are friends now.
Now the fight was solved. Okay. Just with the deal, and then put the arm around his neck and said, now we are friends.
They look at each other with honest, unflinching eyes, and in that moment, love and understanding were born.
So it was that time when they decided, and it was that time that their enmity was gone. Their hatred was gone, and they were friends now. Okay? How simple. With, you can say, love and care without even just with love. With love. Start.
Dear friends, said Ravi, it was like settled again in this crisis, and it was quite an
Okay. So who was the winner? Ranji was the winner actually. Okay. Because what was Ranji's motive? He wanted to use the pool. The other boy, Suraj, he was not ready for this. But at the end, what happened? He himself, means Suraj, invited him to use the pool, and he just said that, okay, it is our pool. At the end, Suraj said, it is our pool, not my pool. He said that this is our pool, and he said that nobody else can come here without our permission. Okay. And then at the end, means Ranji, he was smiling and he said, who would dare, matlab kaun himmat karega aane ki. Just he knew that now he was the winner. So what do you think? Is there any other way to resolve the fight, to resolve anything? They came there to fight, but what happened? What happened? They became friends, right? So whenever you want to fight, whenever you have that instinct, okay, now I just want to punch that child or whatever, just think, no, there is another way. And what was that way? To talk, communicate, you can say. Okay. Mask. First question, Manan. In what way is the forest pool? Comprehension check first. In what way is the forest pool different from the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert? There mention of two pools, na? How both the pools were different. Bani, Manan. It's in the beginning. This is comprehension check first one. Okay, Manan, do one thing. Try to find the third answer. हाँ. It means the pool for which he was fighting. What type of pool was that? कैसा pool था जिसके लिए लड़ाई कर रहे थे? Clean. ठीक है. So the pool that he knew in the Rajputana desert, no, not Rajputana desert. That was muddy, sticky, where women, they used to wash clothes and buffaloes there. And then on the other hand, the new pool, the pool in the forest, it was inviting, cool, clear water. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. What did he expect Ranji to say? When he asked that, explain why are you here and that about that fight before the fight, what he wanted that time?
He wanted the food that he
What?
He wanted that food right.
Okay. Okay.
He wanted that the pool, the Ranji should love the pool.
Acha, you decided this, and then Gurukaran said, okay, go for it. Anna Gurukaran? No. No? You have given your book to Pulkit. Pulkit has misplaced your book. Acha, we won't be able to discuss all the questions. So in this case, after this Diwali break, whenever we'll come, Saturday or Monday, you need, I don't know, Monday or Saturday. मेरी अगर तो छुट्टी नहीं हुई तो you have to come on Saturday. ठीक है? So that time you have to complete the question answers yourself. If you can, we'll just discuss. 5 मिनट लगा के हम discuss करेंगे. That's all. Saturday आना है? हाँ. Only one. It's 4 and 5. On 6 you have to come. 7th Sunday and then 8. Yes. Huh?